In the building. Perfect. So, welcome guys to this particular session. Kasarani, New York, UAE, location. Yeah, Chuka. Perfect. Welcome back, guys, to this session. Gonna be a very interesting session because I tried as much as possible to limit this session only to individuals who are serious about crypto and people who really want to come to the space because if you check, we have so many groups called the Apex lobbies, but in all those groups, not everyone is serious about their journey with crypto. That is why I wanted to have a very segregated, a very small session with like-minded individuals, people who really want to come to this particular space. Before we started, you saw a video playing of me basically interacting with people who are in crypto, and you also what was happening. Most of them are aware about crypto. Some of them are not aware about crypto, but all in all, we have to move on. So on today's stream, or on today's webinar rather, we're going to have an interesting person who's going to join us shortly. He's going to tell us a few hints about crypto, a few, basically his story in a short version, and basically give you guys a word of encouragement before we now dive deep into the deep stuff about crypto. So let me just confirm if my guest is here. Tony, if you're there, please put your hand up, Tony, please, if you're there. Oh, fantastic. My guest is already here. Mr. Tony is here. So just to give you guys a brief background of Tony and basically how we got to meet with Tony. Tony is a seasoned crypto influencer. James Kilonzo, with all due respect, please stop doing what you're doing. James Kilonzo, I don't know why you are opening my whiteboard. James Kilonzo. Please, guys, let's have some decorum. Let's stop opening our whiteboards. Let's stop drawing things on the chat. If I see you misbehaving, I'll just kick you out of the meeting, okay? And it would paint a very good picture. So, James Kilonzo, I believe you're tuning in from Makweni, so please stop what you're doing. So, Tony is a seasoned crypto enthusiast. Tony is a crypto trader. I saw some of his trades and I was actually blown away. The guy takes some very huge positions on futures. Those who know about futures, you know what I mean. Okay. Tony is also a traveler, a seasoned traveler. In fact, I had a very hard time getting hold of him because he'll tell you I'm in Kazakhstan, I'm in Russia, I'm in Dubai, I'm in the US. He travels a lot, basically. He's enjoying his crypto money. And also, Tony is also a networker because Tony loves networking. That is how basically we got to meet with Tony. We met with Tony at in UAE in one of these blockchain seminars, and the guy is just a whole package in terms of crypto. So let me just look for Tony. Yeah, Tony, if you're there, please you can unmute yourself and.
Yeah, hello guys. Nice to meet you all.
Nice to meet you, Tony.
Thank you, bro. Thank you for inviting to your webinar. It's honor for me to be a part of your webinar and talk with the people who love crypto, who are deeply and strongly engaged in crypto. That's amazing.
Fantastic. So, Tony, tell us briefly, what was your experience when you first came to crypto? I understand you first came to crypto during the bear market. What was your experience when you first came to crypto, Tony?
My first experience?
Yes.
You are asking about bear market or what?
Yes, your first bear market experience.
Okay, I saw, already first beer market was at 2018. It started. It was my first beer market, and the second was after 2000, 2 years ago. It started. Yes, 2.5 after bull market of 2021. But I survived beer market. I can tell that first beer market was hard, very hard for me, and I lose a little bit uh, my passion, my interest, and my engagement in crypto. I can realize it now, but 6 years ago, when it was my first beer market, I even didn't realize that I'm losing my interest and my passion into crypto. And it's a big problem. It's a big mistake. That's why if you are in bear market, never lose your control, never lose your passion, never lose your fire inside to do crypto, because bear market, it's opportunity to build your future results, profits, income in the next bull market. Uh, in general, bro, if we talk about bear market, I can tell that it's not something bad or negative. It's natural part of market cycles. It's natural. It's like it's like day and night, or it's like a summer and winter. You can't love only summer and kill yourself in winter time. As bears, for example, bears, they are sleeping all winter, yes, and then after spring they wake up. It's natural part of market cycle. That's why you need to prepare. You need deep make deep analysis, yes, at the bear market. Also, that is a time for preparing. And the most important things: do not sell anything at bear market. If everything is sad, if everything is bad, yes, it's if there is fear, yes, on market, never sell, only buy or just hodl. If you can't buy now, if you don't have enough money for extra buying deep, just hodl. Just hodl. You can go to work. You can work from 9 to 10, or make some another work, for example, yes, with free schedule, or open some little business, yes, but never touch your crypto on bear market. Only stronghold and buy the deep. That's what
Fantastic.
yes.
Fantastic, bro. Now, talk about the bear market in detail. You say that you should never sell in a bear market, and you say that a bear market is basically now for preparation. Now, talk to us about your experience in a bull market. How was your experience in a bull market?
My first bull market, it was when first I heard about Bitcoin and crypto at 2015 from my friend. It was my partner. We were doing network marketing business, and now we have big team all over the world. And he told me that, hey, bro, we need money, and maybe let's do extra Bitcoin or crypto. And I told, what is Bitcoin? What's crypto? He told that my friend's father is mining Bitcoin. I told, what is mining? He told that there is one website, Bitcoin Faucet. It was 2015 or 14. I don't remember. I don't remember exactly. And you just need to enter this website every hour and just collect that Bitcoin for free. And I just Googled Bitcoin, and I saw the chart, and I saw that Bitcoin was 1 cent, $1, but now it's $200, 150. And I saw that it's too late to enter Bitcoin, to buy Bitcoin at 2014 and 15. That's why I told him that, bro, don't lose your focus on such things. Yes, there is no easy money. Focus on your business, on your network. We need to open new markets and develop our team and grow our business. And it was my first biggest mistake in my life, because I didn't try Bitcoin Faucet for free. But at 2017, also one guy advised me to buy Ethereum. It was, I don't remember exactly. I think it was 25 cents or $2. I don't remember. He told that now it's 25 cents, but it will be $2 soon. And I thought, but that guy was not, very smart in business, in network marketing. That's why I thought that he is always wrong. That's why I don't want to listen to his advice. And I skipped Ethereum second time. But at 2017, it was my first purchasing of Bitcoin and crypto. My first buy was Ethereum. I bought for $100 or $200, I don't remember. And I liked it because I bought it in morning time. Then when I go back to home and checked through laptop, I saw, wow, I got 30-40% income in one day, in half day. And
Fantastic.
Yes, yes, it impressed me, and I started to watch videos, read something information about Bitcoin, blockchain, crypto, Ethereum, and I had a new motivation to work harder in MLM business, network marketing business, to earn money and invest in crypto. And that was great time. It was my first bull market, but I even didn't know that it's bull market. I just think that, wow, such a great market. Every day we have profits. Every day we have, because I started, late summer of 2017 until the end of 2017, it was bull market. It was, crazy bull market, really crazy bull market.
No, you never thought that the assets would come down at some point. You thought it's gonna be an upward trend all along, all along.
Yes, because I was a hamster, I don't know anything about crypto. I was newbie. That's why I saw that it must grow all the time. Anytime it will grow, yeah, forever. But we know that nothing is growing always. Yes, everything is working by cycles, and there is bear market and bull market. There's
Now,
gains.
how
Yeah,
to put Cadena, and it really fascinated me about your experience with Cadena because I understand you had bought some Cadena, you sent it somewhere. Then what happened after?
yeah, yeah. In my bull market, it was at the end of bull market. I bought Cardano. Uh, Cardano, it was 2018, I think. I had a little bit Cardano, which I bought at 2017 and not fixed. And also, I bought more Cardano in 2018 when my first bear market starts. I even in 2018 I didn't realize that it's bull market. I even bear market. I even don't know that there is cycles. I don't know anything about market cycles. I only buy, sell, buy cheap, sell more expensive. Yes, higher. Buy low and sell high.
I know.
And yeah. And but I just feel some boring. At after 2 or 3 months of beer market, I feel something bad. I saw that why from first day I was making profits every day. Why almost 2 3 months I can't even earn a dollar, even 1%? Why? What's happening with this market? And I changed my focus again to my basic business, network marketing business, online business, and I I was traveling that time. I was in Belarus or Ukraine, I don't remember, and I need urgent money, cash out, and I have a little portfolio in Binance, 2018, and I decided that I need to cash out everything. When I was selling everything, I saw that no, stop. Maybe I need to choose one coin and put there a little money, even $50, yes, and pray that maybe it one day will grow 10 times, 50 times, or 100 times. I don't know. Life changing, something life changing. Yeah. And I decided to choose Cardano, Ada Cardano. And I was checking today, and I found that I was buying Cardano, big part of Cardano, at 2 cents and 3 cents, from 2 to 3 cents at 2018, and I forgot about it because 2018 was bear market. Everything was dull. Everything was boring. Yes, everything was bad. 2019 also, 2020 also. Only at 2021, when Doggy Shiba made big pumps, my friend called me and told us, "Wow, crypto is pumping again. Maybe we need to start doing this." And I told them, "Oh, let me check, and I will tell you." I checked everything, and I saw that, wow, market is crazy. Market is pumping, and then I decided to open all the all accounts, accounts in all exchanges, and then um, I realized that wow, I had account already from Binance. It was 4 years ago, but I need to find my email and my password. After 2 hours, I found it, and when I opened, I forget that I had some crypto there. I
Wow.
saw that there is zero, and I opened it. There was almost $5,000,
Wow.
4,008 from. But I bought Cardano for even less than $50.
Wow.
30, 35, $45, something like this, yes. And it's almost 100x. It's 90, 85 to 90, 95x,
Wow.
and in one coin.
Wow.
But I was holding, and I even forget about it. That's why I want to tell all our friends who are here with us today that don't be afraid of holding, but real coins, real tokens, not meme coins. If you are interested, if you are interested in meme coins, it's only short-term trading. You
Absolutely.
bought, tomorrow you have 2x, 3x. Okay, sell it, sell everything, and take your profits.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much, Bro Tony, for those insightful insights. I really appreciate you. And two important things I've gathered from Tony, okay? The bear market is for you to survive. Don't sell your assets
Yes.
in the market. Don't sell anything. If you can, go buy more. And so what Tony did. He bought Cadena, forgot about it. In fact, he even forgot he had an account with an exchange. Came back at the peak of the bull market, and Tony had done 98x of an investment.
Yes.
Thank you so much, bro, for your time. Thank you for making time for us. I know it's kind of late. Yeah, you are right. It's very, very late.
Yeah.
So we'll allow you to go to sleep. Come on, guys. Let's appreciate Tony with some emojis in the chat. Let's appreciate
Thank you.
Tony with some emojis in the chat. That is very well, Tony explained. Thank you so much, bro. Really appreciate you, and we'll definitely catch up, Tony. Thank you so much, bro, for your time. I appreciate it. Asante sana. Asante means thank you in Swahili.
Ah, Asante.
Fantastic.
Asa-
Saying it very, very well. Asante.
Asante, guys. Thank you for your support. It's great.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, bro. Perfect. So, guys, you've heard
Thank you.
from Tony, a seasoned crypto enthusiast, a seasoned trader, and you saw what happened to him, okay? Bought Cadena on the lows, forgot about it, even forgot he had an account with an exchange. And that is how Tony was able to make some good money. Imagine from $45 riding all the way to more than $5,000. And the next coming year, you're gonna hear so many such similar stories in this particular cycle. So let's get down to business. Let me just share my screen here real quick, and then you guys will confirm if you can see my screen. There we go. Perfect. So if you can see my screen, please type 1 on the chat box. If my screen is visible, please type 1. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Great. So we all know why we are here. We're here because of blockchain and cryptocurrency webinar, proudly brought to you by Apex Crypto Academy. And I know some of you, maybe we've met online, others, maybe we have interacted before. I'd just love to know if you've ever interacted. Just type yes on the chat box. If we've ever interacted anywhere, be it online, on phone. If no, just type no. I see a yes, I see a no, I see a yes, I see a no, I see a yes. Okay, mixed reactions, which is good. That basically means that I'm not a stranger to most of you. But as always, it's very, very important not to assume that everyone knows you. So I'll have to introduce myself real quick. So my name is Arnold Kelvin. I am an entrepreneur in various industries. I'm also a crypto educator, okay? That is at Apex Crypto Academy. I am a crypto content creator across different platforms, popularly Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook and X, not that much. I'm also a crypto investor, okay? I believe mostly in holding, in buying and hold, just like what Tony has said. And I've been a BitGet KOL for a while right now. That basically means that I get to help people understand how the BitGet platform works, and I basically get to start their crypto career courtesy of BitGet. Perfect. So In fact, we had a BitGet launch earlier last week on Friday. BitGet was launching officially in Kenya. I know some of you were in that event, some of you are not in that event, but unfortunately, it was only an exclusive invite-only event, and not everyone, of course, could manage to be on that particular event. So I'm going to give you my brief crypto journey. We've heard from Tony what happened with him. It's so good that you guys know my journey, my brief journey, or how I basically got into crypto. So my very first time to interact with Bitcoin was back in 2017. Back then, I was a third-year student in the university, and I was, of course, looking for ways on how you can make money online. And I talked to a friend who told me that there's something called Bitcoin. Just go search it. Maybe you can buy it, and then in the near future, maybe it can even get to 1 million Kenya shillings. And it sounded like a joke, an absolute joke. Okay. So, of course, because of my curiosity, because I love learning new things, I went local Bitcoin. That was the only P2P platform popular back then. Bought some BTC worth 20K, left them there. And then in 2018, again, I got into cloud mining. That is Bitcoin mining through what you call clouds. That basically means you get to these programs that you mine Bitcoin. And my Bitcoin that I bought in local Bitcoin, actually spent them there on that particular program, which of course ended up not good because it was basically cloud mining, but it was more of a Ponzi scheme. But in 2020 is when I developed serious interest in crypto during the time for COVID. That is now when I developed serious interest in crypto. I learned about the industry and I understood how the market cycle work. And the following year, which was 2021, happened to be my first bull market. I saw crazy things happening in the market. There were some very many meme coins that were doing very, very well. Just to mention a few, Shiba Inu came. There's a coin called Elongate that gave us, I think, almost a 10x within a single day. But back then, I was just putting in something like, $10, $100, $50, because I wasn't really deep in the industry. But of course, I made some money out of my holdings on that bull market because I had some assets that I had bought, and those assets, of course, did very, very well. So the following year, which was 2022, I now founded Apex Crypto Academy, which is basically an educational platform that enables beginners or newbies or people who want to come to crypto, work with them through this particular journey. And the following year, which was actually last year, 23, we made it into what we call the Financial 1000, which is basically a worldwide directory that recognizes financial institutions which are doing their commendable jobs. And we received that email. And actually, right now, if you go to Financial 1000 and just Google their website, you'll find that Apex Crypto Academy is actually listed as one of the trusted entities that offer quality financial education. So that's my short journey with Bitcoin. Painful somehow, bitter sour, I can say. Okay, sweet sour, is it? Okay, sweet bitter, I can say, because it has its up as well as its own share of the downs. So just to have a brief overview for those guys who have never heard about crypto, because there's a form that you guys filled when you came to this webinar, and I wanted to understand the kind of audience that I'll be dealing with. And I asked some of you if you own any crypto, and I think 50% of you guys own crypto. The other 50% of you don't own any crypto. Also, I wanted to understand your goals that you have in crypto. And the most recurring response was that I want to make money, I want to know how to invest, I want to become a millionaire, I want to own a Bitcoin. Like, these are the most recurring expenses. But out of all these, the most common one that was coming out is I want to make money. And actually, crypto main focus is money, because you're here to make money. Everyone is in crypto to make money, despite it having the aspect of technology, of course, and all other metrics. The main thing in crypto is money. You've heard from Tony. His $45 turned to more than $5,000. What if you had invested $1,000 on that? What if you had invested $10,000 on that? But you always in crypto, never wish you had done this, because you can never take time back. And as you all know, if wishes were horses, then of course beggars will ride jubilantly. Okay, so basically crypto is money, but it's basically money in digital form. Just like how we have M-Pesa that is in digital form, we have PayPal, we have Skrill, we have Netella, we have Remitly. Crypto is also money, but now money in digital form. Also, apart from crypto, just being money, it's also an asset class on its own that has been appreciating with time as adoption kicks in. When I say it's an asset class, I basically mean that it can be put under the same categories as any other investment items, things, opportunities, name it. Okay. And as you guys have seen, Bitcoin has been growing exponentially. When Bitcoin was first created, the white paper back in 2008, in 2009, Bitcoin launched. Who can tell us in the comment section? What price do you think Bitcoin launched in 2009? Let me check the answers. What price do you think Bitcoin launched in 2009? Let's go. What price do you think Bitcoin launched in 2009? $9, $2, no, 0.7, 0.0, $2, 2 cents, 0.5, $5, 25 cents, 10, lol. Nobody's getting the right answer. Less than okay, it's less than $1, but I want the exact answer on the price that Bitcoin launched. Okay, let me help you guys. Bitcoin launched at around $0.0003 back in the year 2009. And if you look at Bitcoin today, right now, as we speak, actually, Bitcoin is trading at around around $64,000. That's an exponential growth. That's why I'm saying that it's an asset class on its own that has been appreciating with time as adoption kicks in, because the more people adopt crypto, the more people adopt Bitcoin, that is how the price actually appreciates. And it's going to happen, it's going to continue until we get Bitcoin to the values of $1 million. It looks like impossible, but it's going to be possible. I was told it's going to get to 1 million Kenya shillings. By then, it was very, very cheap. Now, I'm telling you that Bitcoin is going to get to $1 million. Nobody knows when, but it's going to happen, okay? However, one thing, okay, whoever is drawing these lines on the screen, I'm in no control of what you can do. So please, 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 just stop drawing those lines so that we can have a conducive webinar. So please, if you're the one, okay, Lewis, I've seen you. Lewis, please stop drawing those lines on the screen because you're actually messing up with my presentation. So Lewis, please, if you can be able, just omit those lines that you've drawn so that you can have a smooth sailing, okay? Lewis, please. Thank you, Lewis. You can remove the last one that you just inserted right now. Lewis, please. Yeah, thank you in advance as you prepare to remove those lines, okay? However, guys, it's important for you guys to understand that it's only 6.8% of the global population that is in crypto. And mind you, the industry is only 15 years old. That basically means it has a lot of room for growth, and a lot of potential for growth. And as you guys know, in every industry, the early bird always catches the worm. There is this meme that always goes around, a bird pictured holding a worm, and then people are like saying, usiamke ishachukua, okay? Because it came in early. So of course, people who came to crypto early, they made some life-changing wealth already, okay? And people will still make some life-changing wealth. Why? Because it's an industry that keeps growing and an industry that basically keeps evolving. Okay? Perfect. So that's to basically to clear your doubts. Those guys who are doubting about oh, the industry is oversaturated. It is now oversaturated. Look at this, okay? The global population of the earth is 7.9 billion people. 7.9 billion people. But you only have a limited supply of only 21 million Bitcoins. And mind you, there are guys right now who are actively and massively accumulating these coins. Who can tell us in the comment section? Who do you know is accumulating BTC massively right now in the world, not in Kenya? Comment section. Name any individual you know is actively accumulating crypto, BTC to be precise. Okay, this is Michael Saylor, of course, Elon Musk is there, Saylor, Grayscale, Trump, Michael Saylor, German government, the US government. Yeah, all those individuals are now accumulating BTC because we're in something that we call now a gold rush, a digital gold rush. Basically, what a digital gold rush is basically a phase that will allow people to scramble for BTC before it gets to a time when it's going to be very, very hard to even own 0.0000 something of a Bitcoin. Why? Because the industry will have grown exponentially. And with the growth of the industry, of course, also the market value of these particular assets will grow exponentially. That is why it's very, very important that you guys understand Bitcoin right now, and you basically get your hands these particular assets, because it's gonna be very, very messy in the coming years. Just to bring some things to your understanding, or to basically to make these things sink more. Back in 2010, okay, $5 could get you this. This may be tomato, fruits, milk, carrots, stuff like that, okay? One Bitcoin in 2010 will get you something almost similar, because the value was almost the same. 2021, $5 will get you these three items, and you can see the basket has now decreased. The same year, one BTC could easily get you a nice car, okay? A very nice ride. Now, in the next coming years, in 2030, $5 will get you absolutely nothing. If you agree with me on that statement, please type 1 on the chat box. In the next 5 years, $5 will basically get you nothing. $5 is about how much? Around almost 600 Kenya shillings. Perfect. It will never get you anything on this basket. But the same year, one BTC can easily get you your dream house. In fact, even right now, one BTC can get you a house in Kenyatta Road. If you go to K Road, they have some very nice 3-bedroom bungalows going for around 9 million Kenya shillings. So one BTC can easily get you a house. So in 2030, one BTC can even get you several houses. And that is the power of crypto. That is the power of Bitcoin. That is how Bitcoin was created to work, because it's an asset that has its own class, and an asset that has its own set of advantages. Great. Let's now talk about the advantages of crypto. Before we proceed, I know people like, hey, Bitcoin is expensive, oh, give us another coin to buy. However, don't worry, guys. Why? Because we have so many cryptocurrencies in the market. People think that Bitcoin is the only crypto. In fact, people confuse Bitcoin and crypto. They say that Bitcoin is crypto. But in reality, is that Bitcoin is just a form of cryptocurrency. And we have over 2.4 million cryptocurrencies. But the ones listed on these aggregators are around 13,000 cryptos, which are listed on these aggregators. And you can see their prices are right here, okay? Look at these prices. They are here. All of them, they are here. So many cryptos. But again, not all coins are good coins. We have, of course, good coins, and we have bad coins. But we'll discuss the good coins, and we discuss the aspect of the bad coins, okay? Let us proceed. So far, I believe we are doing good. If you like the session so far, please give me a thumbs up in the chat. If you're liking the session, give me a thumbs up in the chat. If you're hating the session, okay, give me a 1. If you hate, give me a 0. Tumia M-Pesa namba, unataka kunisalimia. Fantastic, fantastic, fantastic. Great. Let's proceed. Now, let's check at the advantages of crypto. Why is crypto good? Why is Bitcoin good? Why do we love crypto? Okay? Because I know crypto has been painted as a very bad thing out there. People know that it's all about it's a bad thing, a scam, you lose all your money. But people tend to lose money because of doing the wrong thing. And you're always the one responsible if you lose money in crypto, because nobody forced you to do what you're doing, and you ended up doing something that was wrong yourself. So what are these advantages? Number 1, store of value. There's a tribe in Kenya famously known for cattle. What's the name of that tribe? Someone in the chat box. A tribe that is famously known for cattle. I think I should be doing some giveaways on this session. If you answer my question correctly, I'll take your username. Nitakutumia Masai, that is Walen Githu, perfect. Walen Githu, I have your username. You'll text me after the webinar. I have something for you. Okay, the Masais prefer to keep their assets in form of cattle. Okay, chaniseme cows, ama ng'ombe, so that some guys can understand. Also, Bitcoin is a store of value, because in the digital world right now, people tend to keep their assets or to store their wealth in terms of Bitcoin. And remember, Bitcoin is appreciating. And one thing about Bitcoin is that the supply is limited, meaning it is something that is not available to everyone. And at some point, everyone, of course, will want to own a piece of Bitcoin. And that is why the price of Bitcoin will always and always go up. That is the first advantage of crypto, okay? Number two, it is a hedge against inflation. I don't think I need to explain this further because you've seen with the image that I was showing about the shopping, the car, and the house. So Bitcoin and crypto is a perfect hedge against inflation. Something else is that crypto has what you call transparency. You can never lie in crypto. You can never lie in crypto. I cannot tell you that I didn't receive the coins, okay, or like I didn't receive the money that you sent me. Because if I have your wallet address, I can basically see everything that you're doing on your wallet. I can see who you're sending money to. I can see how much money you have. I can see to who you're sending money to, the off end, and I can see so much in your wallet. So basically, it's a transparent way of doing business because you cannot lie on the blockchain, okay? And something else that I really love about crypto is the aspect of exponential returns. I give a very good example with Tony, okay? I have an example of exponential returns because I don't think there's an industry in the world that can give you returns that you can get from the world of crypto. If you think we have any, type in the comment section. Don't type drugs, don't type gambling, don't type corruption. Yes, those are the ones I don't want you to type. If you think we have any industry in the world that can give you exponential returns like crypto, okay, someone is saying, okay, real estate. Okay, let me give an example of real estate. You buy a house maybe at 9 million, rent it out, and you're paying a rent of around 60,000 a month. Within a year, that's like almost $720,000, 720,000 Kenya shillings. So you've not even recouped half of the investment. Give it around 9 years so that you can at least get even closer to your initial investment. So you can't do that. You can't do that. Okay, you can't do that. So crypto is one of the industries that has a lot of exponential returns. And you will see these exponential returns shortly. Something else, payment option across the globe. You can pay anyone with crypto, regardless of where they are. They can send Sony BTC, can send Sony USDT, can send Tony Ethereum, wherever they are in the planet. Okay, you can buy a car using Bitcoin. Just go to be forward. You can order for your car, you can pay with Bitcoin, okay? Also, the aspect of technology. Crypto has lots of technologies with it, and also crypto works for you because it's an asset class that appreciates with time, and also there are some programs in crypto, for example, staking, that can actually help you grow your money in a much better way, okay? Perfect. Let's proceed. I don't know why my slides keep refusing to move forward. Let's talk about now the disadvantages of crypto, because of course, everything that has an advantage also has some disadvantage. What are these disadvantages? Number one, breeding ground for scams. In fact, that is the main disadvantage of crypto. It's actually a breeding ground for scammers. People have lost so much money in crypto, but they are losing this money because they are doing things without having proper information on those things. Number two, potential to lose funds if you don't know what you're doing. I already explained that. And the aspect of regulatory uncertainty. People are not really know, are we regulated? Are we not regulated? What are we supposed to do? What are we not supposed to do? So far, if you have any question, please type in the comment section so far. If you have any question, a burning question based on what we've discussed so far. Don't bring something that we've not yet discussed. In 3, in 2. Wow. Oh, wow. That means that we are flowing on very, very well. Now, let's look at crypto adoption across the world. How is crypto adopted now in the world? Okay. Now, Bitcoin is a legal tender in 2 countries at the moment. A country called El Salvador, that is in which continent? Someone? Comment section. Where is El Salvador located? Which continent is El Salvador? Comment section, comment section. South America, Xiomi, yes, I have something for you. South America, okay. That is El Salvador, and the other one is Central African Republic, which is of course in Africa. That alone has actually shown you that Bitcoin is now recognized as something that actually has value. Number 2, multiple stores and shopping malls are now accepting crypto as a payment method. However, in Kenya, it has not really been implemented that much. But if you go to the country, if you travel, go to a country like Switzerland, they have so many retail outlets accepting Bitcoin as a payment method. Go to countries like Colombia, we have actually coffee shops that serves you drinks. They put in that Bitcoin sign on that coffee, and you can actually pay in BTC. Go to the UAE, you can do your shopping, you can pay with crypto, you can pay with Tron, you can pay with USDT. I wish I had played a video of me doing some shopping and paying with crypto here. And this thing is happening in developed countries. But less developed countries, they still view crypto as a scam, okay? Go now to the US. The state of Louisiana is now accepting payment of taxes in crypto. Why do you think they are doing this? Because they want to get your crypto. They want to get your Bitcoin because they know this is something that is truly, truly valuable. That is why they want you to pay them using your Bitcoin so that they can actually custody that Bitcoin. And of course, when Bitcoin prices keep soaring high, they'll keep on becoming richer and richer. And if you guys didn't know, by the way, the US government is one of the biggest whales that we have in crypto, the US government. The FBI, they confiscate so many Bitcoins from criminals, all of them, they put them in their custody, okay? And come on, idea to because they know the value of Bitcoin. Recently, President Donald Trump, okay, I'm calling him president because in the US, even if you retire, you are still president. President Barack, President Trump, okay? Recently paid using Bitcoin at a local bar in Texas. Went there, was doing his campaign, did a transaction on Bitcoin, okay? BRICS, that is Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa, are actually considering setting up a crypto payment gateway, okay? And also banks, the normal banks, the ones that you guys bank your fiat on, they have started issuing what you call Bitcoin ETFs. We'll learn what ETFs are in the later stages, okay? Yeah. So this is just one of them. It's called ZA Bank, okay? A Hong Kong leading virtual bank has received approval from the Security and Futures Commission to offer cryptocurrency trading services. This is something that people thought it's a scam in the past couple of years, but look at how big it has grown to be. Now banks are actually embracing crypto. They're actually approving trading services for these people. ETFs are there. Big banks are coming in. JP Morgan, they want to custody Bitcoin because they know that the fiat currency is collapsing, it's losing value. People can print money every single day. You saw what happened in time for COVID. The US government printed so much money, but nobody can print Bitcoins out of thin air, okay? That is one thing that you should basically sink deep in you. Now, I've talked in detail about Bitcoin. However, Bitcoin is not the only cryptocurrency that we have, okay? Bitcoin was the first and the most widely recognized crypto. And on the other hand, we have what we call now altcoins. So basically, altcoins are all the other cryptocurrencies besides Bitcoin. So Ethereum, altcoin, USDT, altcoin, XRP, Lite, all of them are altcoins. We only have Bitcoin and altcoins. People usually ask like, how can I buy altcoin? And they think altcoin is a single coin. But altcoin is all the other cryptocurrencies apart from Bitcoin. If you knew that, please type 1. If you didn't know that, honestly speaking, type 0. Nobody's going to judge you. I love the honesty. I see so many zeros. Okay. I love the honesty in the building. Perfect. Now let's proceed. I've talked in this about the exponential returns in crypto. So what are these exponential returns and how are these exponential returns basically witnessed in crypto? So back in 2010, you all know that the price of Bitcoin was basically less than $1. And today, as we speak, Bitcoin is how much? It was 63 as I was making this slide. Right now, I'll confirm maybe around that region. Okay. That means that your 100 Kenya shillings only could be 8 million today. If I give you 8 million right now, what will you do, someone? Type in the chat box. If I give you like eight mics right now, what are you gonna do with the money? If I give you 8 million, someone is saying buy BTC, buy a house, vacation, buy GLE. Okay. Kaya and Caro, Nissan GTR. investing, Porsche Cayenne 911, buy altcoins, buy alt, move to Dubai. You guys have goals, man. You guys have goals. And I think I love these goals because all of them are sounding to be very good goals. If I give you like 8 mics, these are the things that we're gonna be doing. And I believe they are good things, okay? They are all good things. Perfect. Now, however, the way Bitcoin has been designed, it's gonna get to $1 million at some point. You can take this screenshot this meeting, okay? And later on, when the price gets there, you will know that you knew about it, but you did absolutely nothing about it. However, altcoins have also provided some exponential returns. Example, Solana, back in January last year, it was trading at $9. $9 freaking. People think that I'm making this thing up. Let me show you, okay? Let's go to CMC real quick. Yep, let's go to CMC real quick. January of last year. January, let's go to Solana real quick over here. You see how much Solana was trading at last year, January, okay? It's now at $154. So let's just check. So last year, I want to check the data for last year on Solana. And you guys are going to be shocked at how the market moves. The crypto market will always move. The problem is, are you moving with the market? Or are you just sitting there waiting to FOMO in? Because FOMO is going to come. I believe most of you here know what FOMO is. And I, of course, wouldn't like anyone here to be caught up in that particular fiasco. There we go. January last year, around $9. $9 on the second day of the year. Sol was $9. Today, Sol is at $154. Okay. Those are how many returns or how much return on investment? I think more than even 15x. More than 15x returns. And actually, Solana has given us some very good money in the academy. Okay. Look at BNB. 2017, the price was $0.17. Today, as we speak, it just dropped. The price right now is around $581. That is more than 3,529x. Come on, guys. Which investment can give you such returns? Only to a real estate, where are you? The guy with the real estate, where are you? 5 years. This is how many years? Around 7 years. You can't get such returns in any industry, apart from crypto. This year alone, WIF from 0.06 in January, right now, if I think it's now at $2, that is more than 30x returns. And mind you, coins are being created every single day. Every single day, you get new coins. However, guys, okay, most of these exponential returns are witnessed in a bull market, what we call a parabolic phase. Because a bull market has phases. Already we are in a bull market, but we have not yet hit all the phases of a bull market, okay? And the parabolic phase is now the peak of the market. That is now when you wake up today, you do some quick spot trading, make money, you long on futures, even throw in a 20x leverage, we don't even care because everything is literally pumping. And right now, we are somewhere here on BTC because we are yet to take off. And once we take off with BTC, it's going to be very, very crazy. Okay. If you like what you're seeing, please give me a 1 in the chat box. I just want to see if you guys are active. I'm here talking to myself. Fantastic. Great. Let's proceed. I don't know why people are requesting to do these things that they want to do. And yeah. So I've said about a bull market, and I've said that a bull market basically has phases. Now, let's discuss what exactly happens in a bull market. You've heard Tony mention about a bull market. He made some money on a bull market. I made some money on a bull market. What exactly happens in a bull market? Number one, okay, the number of crypto holders usually double or even triples in a bull market. 2020, it was 100 million users. 21, 320 million users. Who can tell us why do you think this number always doubles or triples in a bull market? Someone. I'm taking my notes. I want to reward my next person. Why do you think this number usually triples or doubles in a bull market? Adoption, greed, FOMO, airdrops, FOMO, market cap because of FOMO, greed. Favorable information spread. Oh, I see, I've seen a good answer. Oh, it has disappeared. You guys, these answers are just coming in fast, quick, and in a hurry. Can't even refresh. If I just blink like this, they are gone. Anyway, I've seen a guy called Anthony. Anthony said that because yeah, Fad and Anthony, people see good returns. Yes, Anthony. Yes. And guys, this is the reason. The reason why this number usually doubles or triples is because people are like, hiya. So this thing has money. It was this price, now it is here. So everyone rushes to invest. Everyone comes to put in their money. They go, they take loans, they come, they put their money in crypto. But what they don't understand is that this is a market cycle and we are at the peak of the bull run. So what happens? The number doubles. Then, of course, everyone comes, invests. Then, of course, go to a bear market and then the coins start coming down. People start like, hii kitu uliniambia ni uongo, I'm losing my money, what do I do? They sell, they panic sell, they become paper hands, they lose money, and that is exactly what will happen again this coming time. Technospark, please stop doing those things that you're doing. Technospark 8, I think I'm going to remove you here from the meeting. Technospark 8, kindly. Let's maintain some decorum. Technospark 8, please stop what you're doing, okay? And that is exactly what happens. And it will not be any different. So everyone comes to invest in a bull market because they are newcomers and they buy at peak. Someone will buy Bitcoin at 100K. Some people will buy BNB at $1,000. Some people will buy Solana at $500. And you is in this meeting. You have an opportunity right now. When the market is on the low, don't wait to come and FOMO in when things go at the top, okay? And the mistake people usually do, and one of the things I like saying, it's always about time in the market and not timing the market. Exactly what Tony did. He spent time in the market and he did not time the market. I know of someone, a very good friend of mine, who actually bought Cadena at the time Tony was selling, is when they were buying at the peak. And ADA started dropping and it never went back there. Okay. So that guy was trying to time the market instead of spending time in the market. And as always, crazy money is made by those who prepare early. And this has always been our goal at Apex Crypto Academy, to create crypto millionaires, which is something that I can proudly say we have done already, because I've seen the fruits. We've seen the fruits. People came to Apex knowing nothing, bought some very good coins. Right now, they have made some very good money courtesy of Apex Crypto Academy, because they understood what the industry entails and they understood how to tackle this particular industry. And everyone starts talking about crypto in the bull market. Even the mainstream media. You start seeing articles going around. Oh, I don't know. Citizen says they sent an article. Bitcoin is now at $100,000. NTV, they share an article. K24. And you start seeing an influx of crypto people coming up on the internet. Go to Instagram. So many guys are coming up now. Hey, Bitcoin, buy this coin. Go to TikTok. So many guys are going to come up because they know it's a parabolic phase of the bull run. They want to trap you. They'll tell you, look at this coin. If you had bought it this time, where were they when the market was in the reds? Okay. You'll see an influx of these people coming up. I'm not saying this as a prophet, but trusting me, you will see this happening. People are going to come claiming to be experts, claiming to be telling you, you do this, buy this, and stuff like that, okay? So you who is here right now, already you have this information. So I don't expect you to fall for this information. Basically, this is my forecast for crypto, okay? Right now we are around in October, December. This is what we call now the Q4. Q4 basically means quarter four, okay? So my forecast for this Q4 is that we may see the peak value this year for some projects. Of course, then it's going to be followed by a brief correction. Of course, we all know that a correction is imminent. Then in the mid-2025, we may see the all-time highs be broken. Of course, setting new records in a very limited, and we have some very limited time remaining. We have about 3 months before the year comes to an end. And if we are to go by my forecast, and then mid next year, some highs will be broken, then of course, people who didn't take any action will be, of course, left on the sidelines, okay? Also, I'm foreseeing more Bitcoin ETFs getting approved, and more banks will get approval for Bitcoin custody. You saw already the other bank got an approval for doing crypto trading, and the number of users, I believe, will double, okay? And the market cap may get to around $4 trillion. Plus, this is my forecast, okay? Based on the sentiment that I've seen, based on what has been happening historically, this is what I'm forecasting on to happen in the next coming years, okay? And of course, my focus, and this is something that I will never back down from, Bitcoin is going to hit $1 million in the years to come. I don't know when, but I know it's going to happen. I don't know when, I don't know the date, the time, the year, but I know it's going to happen, okay? And then this is the new digital gold, as Michael Saylor always puts it. And he says that we are now in what we call a gold rush because people are actually rushing to accumulate BTC. And I know it's expensive right now. It's expensive. Buying a whole Bitcoin right now, expensive. Unless you're a politician, you're a drug dealer, or you get some very good salaries, or you are doing very well in business, or you have some good savings, you have your pension, you can afford a Bitcoin. But there are actually ways on actually that you can use to acquire this BTC. And my main one, of course, has always been Dennis Muturi. Please stop drawing those things on the chart. If you can erase them, I'll really appreciate. Dennis Muturi, please erase that line that you're drawing on the chart. Thank you, Dennis. My aim has always been get the altcoins, make money from the altcoins, put your profits into BTC. That has always been my goal. That has always been my approach. And also something else, you can put what you call now the auto invest, basically doing now with what you call now the dollar cost average methodology. And this expects exactly what is expected to happen. Bitcoin right now is around here, around 60 something here. 25, you're gonna get somewhere around here. You might get 100K or you might not hit 100K. But of course, eventually, in the years to come, we expect Bitcoin to skyrocket and get to such levels. I believe if you were to go back to high school right now, I would just tell your father or your parent, you know what, this school fees, give it to me. You go to local Bitcoin, buy BTC, and you tell him, you know what, I don't want to go to school anymore. But I'm not advocating you guys not to learn. It's very, very important that you guys go to school, get the knowledge, then the money is going to come later, okay? Because even if you have all the money in the world and you're not learned, you'll just utaipiga mateke hiyo pesa yote. Okay, perfect. So let's talk about the three main crypto strategies that people usually follow. Okay, we have what you call short-term goals, we have mid-term goals, and we have the long-term goals. So for short-term, these are basically now tokens. Okay, you can now go into DeFi, you can buy tokens as what Tony was saying. The issue of meme coins is said that meme coins are for short term. I agree with him 100%. You can do day trading. Okay, you can do scalping. Those are short-term goals in crypto. You can also do mid-term, and for mid-term, you can do swing trades. You can do position trades. You can also do arbitrage trading because it's also part of the short term. And of course, for long term, you can now do portfolio, which is actually one of the areas that I heavily stress on. And if you guys came to this meeting when that video was playing, if you might to catch the video, please give me a one in the chat box. If you saw the video that was playing before we started this particular webinar, when I was asking these crypto whales, their holdings, what they are holding, yes. If you haven't seen that video, I'll just direct you, you're going to see that video. Just go to our YouTube channel. It's called Apex Crypto Academy. Then look for this video. It's called Interacting with Crypto Whales, Blockchain Life. And we basically see the guys that was asking the coins that they hold in their portfolio, what they think about this coin, what they know about this particular coin. Basically, a very, very good video. Just go watch it and yeah, have some fun about the video. Learn a thing or two on this particular video. So I was saying on the area of portfolio, it's actually one of the areas that I heavily stress on. Create a very good portfolio that is well diversified. Get good projects, buy and hold your coins. They're gonna reward you at some point. You can do staking, and by staking, basically that means if you're holding your assets, you can actually go ahead and you can stake those assets. It's just like operating a fixed account, and then those assets will be earning you some interest. Okay, so one of the best platforms I recommend for staking is The cold wallets. I don't know if you guys have heard about a cold wallet. If you've ever heard about a cold wallet, please type yes on the chat box. If you've ever heard about a cold wallet, type yes. I see a yes, I see a no. Okay, basically, a cold wallet is just a device that can enable to store your crypto offline. And it looks like this. I have so many of them here. Let me just show you one of them. This is how it looks like. If you can see it, give me a one. If you can see it, give me a one on the chat box. Yeah. You can get a cold wallet. They have some very good staking options. Basically, your crypto gets to earn you more interest. And also you can do the DCA. That basically means dollar cost average. Those are the main three crypto strategies that you can follow if you want to be successful in this particular industry. However, you all know that a crypto has what you call the market cycles. We have a bull market, we have a bear market. People don't love bear markets, but bear markets are the best. Actually, Apex was formed during the bear market, okay? And a bear market is to prepare you now for the bull market, okay? And what do you do in order to prepare well for a bull run or a bull market? And to prepare for the bull market, you need a combination. This, I don't know, someone is drawing. You guys are drawing these things on my screen. Please stop it. Okay? Stop drawing those things on my screen. They are really messing up with my presentation. Okay? So number one, you need to have a combination of knowledge. Knowledge, very, very important. Don't you dare come to crypto without knowledge. Well, I can't know who it is because I'm on presenting mode. I can't check the chat to see who's doing all that. Okay? So you need to have a combination of knowledge. Number two, have a diversified portfolio. I cannot stress more than this. Have assets across different narratives. Have layer ones, have layer twos, have solid meme coins, have RWA tokens, have DePIN tokens, have smart contracts, have RWA tokens, have basically encompass all the narratives in your portfolio. Number three, understand how the market works. Don't just come because things are all at the top, you want to enter. You need to understand how the market works, okay? Number four, research and analytical skills. Why is this coin pumping? In fact, one of the mistakes people usually make is that they rush to buy coins because they think they are pumping, but you don't understand why these coins are pumping. And I'm actually so glad because at Apex, we usually have real-time market updates. Every single evening, I share updates about what's happening in the crypto industry. And I believe I've been extending this to the lobbies. If you have been seeing the market updates, please give me a yes in the comment section. If you have been seeing, say, the market updates, this is what happened today, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, okay? So understand how the market works, research and have analytical skills. Number five, risk management. Very, very important. Know how to manage your risks. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Don't put all your coins on XRP. I don't know if you buy XRP or on. I used to be a very good fan of XRP, but I'm no longer a fan of XRP. Okay. In fact, I sold all my XRPs. I just have a small bag on XRP anti-FOMO. Okay, anti-FOMO. Then, of course, have an investment strategy. Don't just invest blindly. Have an investment strategy. Be aware of global events. What's happening in the world? Be aware. Like next month, we have the US elections. Okay. Next month, part one, we have the US elections. Okay. They're going to be a very critical factor in the crypto market, in the crypto space. Number nine, knowing who and what to follow. Don't just follow any random people on social media because they talk about crypto or because they scrutinize these people. Do they understand what they're actually talking about, or they're just there because of the industry? Okay. Then, of course, have decision-making skills. Very, very important. Know when to sell a coin. Know when to buy a coin. Know when to do DCA. Know what to buy, what not to buy. Decision-making skills. Because at times in crypto, you need to make some very critical decisions. And if you don't have these decision-making skills, you might actually sell a coin, then it starts pumping, you start regretting, oh, why did I sell this coin? It's normal. It happens, okay? When you sell, it pumps. When you buy, it dumps. Okay, it happens. Okay, knowing when to buy, such thing happens. And lastly, of course, keep your crypto safe. I've seen articles going around of guys who have lost money simply by not keeping their crypto safe. There is no point of you struggling. You've done so much in crypto, you have so many coins, but you've not secured your crypto. Then what happens? You wake up one day, your exchange is frozen, you can't access your coins, okay? Keep your crypto safe. How do you do that? Cold wallets, okay? Cold wallets are your ultimate goal. So these are the mistakes that people make in crypto. And there are actually some very, very grievous mistakes. And I believe you have done one or more of these mistakes. So listen carefully. Number one, and actually, I am a victim of number one, okay? Not taking profits. There's something called emotions in crypto. And if you are attached emotionally to a coin, it might not end up well at some times because you don't want to collect profits, you want to sell that coin, okay? There's a phrase I usually like to use and say that the market is not your mother, okay? Always take profits when your greed permits you. And normally, if you fear that you might take profits and the coin might continue going up, what you can do essentially, you can collect some of the profits or you can take out your initials and then you can leave a run so that if it keeps going up, then that's it, okay? Number two, they check the price and look for cheap coins, cheap quote unquote, because someone wants a coin that is 0.0000 something, hoping it's gonna get to $1. And some things will not happen, will never happen because of what you call market cap, supply, and the price, okay? So they look for cheap coins. Number three, FOMO. People have FOMOing, okay? Number four, watching on the sidelines. You're just watching. You don't want to take any action. You don't want to learn crypto. You don't want to buy coins, okay? Number five, this is very, very common. And you're going to see this a lot happening in the bull run. And I know some of you have fell victim for this, okay? You buy a coin because it was going up. Then it starts going down. What do? You sell it. Then another one starts going up. You buy it, okay? What do you do then? It starts going down. You sell. Look for another one that's going up. You buy. It starts going down. You sell. You start with $200 and at the end of it, you have like $50. If you've done that previously, just type 1 on the chat box. If you've ever done something like that, you buy this coin because it's pumping. Then what do? You start going down, you sell. Look for another one, it's going up, you buy. And eventually, napata, you've lost money because you are buying, buy, sell, and then you say it's a scam, okay? Number 6, not securing assets. I've discussed that in detail. Number 7, over leveraging in trading. Use some very high leverage, 20x, 30x, 40x, without understanding the risks of using high leverage, without having a well-calculated stop loss. And then number 8, of course, ignoring risk management. People do that oftenly. And number 9, of course, chasing pumps. You just want to chase those coins that are doing very, very well. And lastly, of course, fall for scams. Why? Because you don't want to learn about crypto, and that is how you'll end up losing money. So I'm going to play a very short video here. So listen in. Let's see what is happening. Not Ruto, but this guy. Yeah. This gentleman over here. Okay, I don't know what's happening with this particular screen. Let's see. Hope it plays. Okay, someone is actually blocking me from playing this.
And then Mopi had a question about blockchain and so forth. I think I've made this point before. I will say 3 things. I've been quite clear about our views on Bitcoin and the Bitcoin-like items. So that I don't want to repeat. It's quite clear that from our perspective, that is something that we cannot support. And if you want to invest in those things, well, you know, it's a bubble of a kind, and be ready to lose all your money in that whole operation. And indeed, if there are concerns, there are other concerns. But I think we have kind of, particularly our Noborish in Kenya, been so excited about the Bitcoin thing, and they're putting their money there. It's dangerous because people may put in all their money, and then in the end, you'll have a serious issue in particular ways. I don't want to bring comparisons and so forth, but at the same time, I have to tell you that we are.
Yep. That was the CBK governor back in 2016. Now, I want someone to tell us in the comment section, what do you think was the price of Bitcoin back then in 2016? Someone. First person to answer this, you have a reward. Give me the price in Kenya shillings. Okay, in dollars. Just quote it in dollars. I'll take the closest answer. I think Tony has the closest answer. Tony, yes. The price of Bitcoin back then was $543. And your own CBK governor came to the media and told you that this is a bubble. He told you, be prepared to lose all your money. Now, I want us to fast forward. 2024, okay? We all know right now, Bitcoin is around almost the $60-something mark, but that is not what I want us to focus on. I want us to focus on a different, another video that is just actually trending, not really trending. Yes, I want us to watch this short video. This is how many years later? Around eight years later. So let's see what this guy had to say. He's refusing to talk.
Likewise, Marathon Digital have been ushered to consult with the National Treasury in Kenya on our cryptocurrency regime and to the Ministry of Energy to discuss its energy needs in connection with cryptocurrency mining here in Kenya. This is a strong testament of the vast transformative possibilities that exist in an expanded and comprehensive strategic understanding between the US, East Africa concerning trade and investment. Because Kenya means business.
Kenya means business. That is your Zakayo, okay? So you can see, he said that this cryptocurrency what? Cryptocurrency regime, okay? Meaning that the previous regime was not cryptocurrency based, but still on the previous regime, we had so many people who were supporting crypto and blockchain. Joe Musheru was an advocate for Bitcoin. Uhuru himself has been quoted several times mentioning about blockchain and its technology. So it's just something that these people are into, okay? They are into it, but they are afraid of beating their own fiat currency, okay? So if the CBK governor back then had actually just advised the treasury just to keep not much, just a small allocation of the country's reserve on BTC, I believe right now will be somewhere very, very far. Okay, I'm just getting some news on my phone here that Ohio Senator Antanani introduces bill to allow state and local taxes to be paid with Bitcoin and crypto. And I'm actually glad this is happening when you are in this particular webinar, because whatever things I've been telling you right now are now being implemented live. Mambo ni live, okay? Now, let's get to the main thing before we wind up in the next couple of minutes, okay? How do you profit from crypto? How do you make money from crypto in short? For those guys who love Instagram, maybe you can record a snippet of this, share on your Insta stories, tag at Apex Crypto Academy. I'm going to tag all of you guys, I'm going to tag us. Yeah, so that people can understand basically what happens in the market, okay? So just record this session. If you're maybe on your computer, you can record the session, then you can share on your Insta stories, and then you can maybe tag us, okay? Perfect. How do you profit from crypto? Crypto has over more than 20 different areas that you can actually decide to focus on and specialize. I'll just go through them very fast so that you guys can have an idea of the things that you can do in crypto. Number one, we have what you call buy and hold, which is the main area of crypto and what I actually advocate for. You saw a very good example with Tony. I will not go back to his story, okay? Buy and hold. That is when you buy some very good coins when the price is very low, and then you sell these coins when the price is high, and that's how you're going to make your money, okay? Buy and hold. Isabel, please stop doing those things, okay? Number two, I know most of you love this. Most of you love this, okay? That is airdrops, okay? Hamster Combat, Tap to Earn, WorldCoin came as an airdrop. People made so much money on WorldCoin. If you made any money on WorldCoin, give me a 1 on the chat box. If you didn't make any money on WorldCoin, give me a 0. You guys are WorldCoin fraternity. Almost all of you made money on WorldCoin. Okay, that's good. That's dope. But right now it's dumping. So I really hope that you sold at the top, okay? Airdrops, you can get money on airdrops. We have spot trading, which is a very good area about crypto that you can focus on. Take your spot trades when the market is on the red. Take your trades when the market is rising. Sell your coins, make the money. You can do futures trading. Actually, Tony is a very, very excellent futures trader. I don't know why I didn't mention this, but that guy trades futures so much. He makes some very good money on futures. Apex, guys, I have some very good, excellent futures traders. I just check the analysis and I'm like, you guys have even become much better than me. Just a second. I have lost power. So let me just put back my backup real quick. Where are we? And good. So we back. I had lost power, but I have backup. So if you can hear me, please give me a 1 on the chat box. If you can hear me, please give me a 1 on the chat box. I had lost Kenya Power. Yeah, I lost power, but I have backup. Good. Perfect. Okay. So we have the issue of futures trading, as I had discussed, where you can just get some very good positions on the low and then you make some very good money on them. We have copy trading, which is something that can enable you to copy other successful traders because maybe you don't have the skills or you don't have the time, but you have the money. So what do? You go to an exchange platform like BitGet, and then you can copy other lead traders, and then if they make money, you make the money. We have staking again, another very beautiful area that can help you to grow your assets passively, simply by holding them. You hold your Bitcoins, and then more Bitcoins are going to be added to your account because you're doing staking. And then we have the world of DeFi, which is very, very dope because DeFi is basically decentralized finance. Let me just show you guys how DeFi looks like because some of you have never heard about DeFi. If you go to a platform like Dex Screener, okay, here you'll see so much happening on DeFi, okay? If you come to Dex Screener here, it's verifying that I'm human real quick. Just want to give you guys a glimpse of what happens on DeFi. And here is where newly created coins tokens are listed. Look at this, the last 24 hours alone, up by 623%, 64%, 6,000%, 19,000%, 31, negative 31. But of course, there are skills that you require to navigate the world of DeFi. And these are all things that we handle. And I show you guys basically at Apex Crypto Academy, okay? So apart from DeFi, we have, of course, mining. You've heard what the president was saying. He's inviting Digital Marathon Holdings to come to Kenya to try and figure things out, okay? You can do mining in large scale or small scale. You can do that. If you guys saw the video that I was doing those interviews, there's a place where we went for those mining machines. You saw how they work. You saw the estimated revenue for these machines. And yeah, so you can do mining. You can also do what you call liquidity mining. That basically means that you are supplying your assets to be used to swap tokens in what you call an AMM. An AMM is basically an automated market maker that can allow you to swap from one token to another on these DEX aggregators. For example, Uniswap, platforms like SushiSwap, SunSwap, PancakeSwap, and so on and so forth. You can also do NFTs, okay? I know it's now becoming, I'm now going deeper. If we are still together, type 1 on the chat box. If you are lost a bit, type 0 in the chat box. Good. We are still together. Fantastic. Yeah, you guys are good. We still have over more than 220 of you watching. That's an impressive number. Okay. So you can also do NFTs. You can just list your NFTs for sale or for buying. You can just some random pictures. You make money. You can do what you call also P2P and OTC. one of the most popular methods of making money in crypto here in Kenya. That is P2P. You buy and sell coins from different vendors, different merchants. And then, of course, you buy low and you sell high. The difference becomes your profit, okay? You can do OTC. I've only seen one OTC here in Kenya, whereby people can walk to your shop physically and they can exchange their crypto with you. But if you go to developed countries, OTC is actually a business that is licensed, okay? Go to Turkey. So many shops are doing OTC in that particular country. You can do affiliate marketing. This has been done by the exchanges, the campus students, comrades, RIA, comrades in the building. If you're a comrade, type RIA. Comrades, RIA. Yeah. You saw the BitGet program for comrades that gives you some good gains, okay? Even if you don't have anything, you can take part in ICO, okay? ICO's very, very good programs that can help you buy coins early before these coins get listed. You can do arbitrage trading as well. Buy from one exchange, sell to another exchange. The difference becomes your profit. You can do lending in crypto. We have lending, we have borrowing, we have so many, we have hedge funds. I can't exhaust. I simply can't exhaust the different areas that you can make money in crypto. And people make money and then they end up losing that money. Through what? The popular scams that you have in crypto. So I'll go through this very, very fast. We have the popular scams. We have, of course, the earn 2% daily. I know most of you have seen it. Most of you have fallen victim to it, and most of you have lost money through it. And 2% daily, they're all called Ponzi schemes. Okay. We have rug pulls, we have honeypots, but once you go through the DeFi program, of course, you'll never fall a victim of a honeypot. You'll never fall a victim of a rug pull. We have another one that is actually really, really trending. That is deposit gas fee to withdraw, whereby you sign to an exchange and you find that you have like $5,000. Then they tell you, in order for you to withdraw, then you need to send $50 as gas fee. Who has seen those things? You open an account, you have like $10,000, then they ask you for gas fee. Send gas fee to withdraw. Who has seen those things? Yes, me. Yeah. People are actually falling victims to those things, okay? Then, of course, giveaway scams are very, very popular. Being told, oh, they're doing a giveaway, send one BTC to get two BTC. So many of them. Cloud mining, again, I've talked about this one in details. And to avoid all these things, and of course, to make some good gains in crypto, to know which areas to venture into, to know which projects to invest to. That is now what you have, or why you have the Apex Crypto Academy, which is actually a premium learning institution. And I'm saying premium because I know it's premium, that tackles and covers basically all things about crypto from the very basic. So we start from the very basic. We start from what is Bitcoin, story of money, the evolution. We do all these things within a duration of about 6 to 7 weeks. I'm going to share this course outline so that anyone who wants to come to Apex can know exactly what they are signing up to and what they are coming to do. So why is the crypto market very, very bullish next year? Okay, I'll give you guys 5 reasons why the market is super bullish next year. Number one, we have what you call the 4-year cycle effect. That basically means after every 4 years, we usually have a bull market, and the post-Bitcoin halving effect. Bitcoin halving happened this year, April. The post-Bitcoin halving effect will be felt next year. We usually discuss more on what the post-Bitcoin halving effect is in our classes. Number two, we have pro-crypto candidates in the US elections. And you guys, the US is one of the biggest economies in the world, okay? So that alone shows you what's going to happen. Of course, if Trump wins, we all support Trump. Okay, I don't know if you guys support Trump. If you support Trump, give me a 1. If you support Kamala, give me a 2. Okay, why sawa tuachie hapo Trump, okay? If Trump wins, of course, you expect the market to pump significantly because Trump has been a very, very big advocate for crypto, okay? And also you have the ETFs emerging from every corner of the globe, every corner of the earth. The ETFs are coming in, are real handy. And of course, Bitcoin supply is draining fast on exchanges. What does that tell you? You have very, very few Bitcoins remaining for guys to buy, okay? Then, of course, the global adoption and use cases are increasing, and that is very, very, very bullish for the market. So these are some of the reasons why the crypto market is going to be very, very bullish next year. So if you want to have a story like Tony, okay, if you want to make some money in crypto, you are supposed to take action before a reaction, because the action is coming to the markets right now, getting things when the prices are still where they are. And the reaction is exiting the market and, of course, selling the assets and, of course, getting the profits. So essentially, who should come to Apex? Okay, who should join Apex Crypto Academy? Number one, anyone who is looking to diversify their investments and income streams. You have money in money market, you have money in bonds, you have money in real estate, you have money in business. You're looking for other avenues to grow your investments and income streams. Those are the people that should come to Apex. Number one. Number two, those who want to profit from crypto. You've just been hearing people talk about bull run, crypto, blah, blah, blah. If you want to profit from crypto, Apex is the right place for you. Number three, of course, those who want to understand the whole crypto industry. You want to master the industry, to know from A to Z what does crypto entail, so that you are not in a dark world. Those are people who should come to Apex, okay? Those who want to pick an area of specialization in crypto. I've shown you guys so many areas in crypto, but these are not all. We have so many of them. Only because of time, I cannot expound on all the areas of crypto, but we have so many areas. So those who want to pick an area of specialization, those are people who should come to Apex. You want to be a buy and holder, you want to be a trader, you want to be a swing trader, scalp trader, you want to be an airdrop hunter, you want to be a position trader, whichever area, you want to be a P2P trader, whichever area, those are the people who should come to Apex. And also, those who are looking for a community of crypto enthusiasts, those are the people who should come to Apex. And as I wind up, Apex is not just an organization that anyone can just come and join, because yes, I do a lot of free content out there. I do so many videos, updates, but if now you want to come to Apex and go through our program, the 6 to 7 weeks, at times we span to 8 weeks, and get to master the whole industry, this is basically how you join Apex, okay? Just go to our website, that is at www.apexcryptohub.com. Create your account. That, of course, if you have a referral link, if someone has told you about Apex, you can use their custom referral link, okay? Then from there, go to the account section, go to the Academy membership, click on buy, choose your preferred payment option. If it's not available, contact the admin, okay? Make payment, transfer, then submit the transaction ID for the system to verify. Do not overpay, do not underpay, because we are doing this because you want to have people who really have genuine interest in crypto. And actually, our next class at Apex is starting on the 14th of October. Today is 30th of September. That means you have exactly 2 weeks to prepare if you want to come to Apex. Let me just show you how to do that very, very fast. I think I had the account here. This is your account. Once you come to Apex, once you log in, this is how the account looks like, okay? So you'll just come here to my account. Once you go to my account, okay, it's asking me to log in again. Okay, I think I'll just do a quick login here. I think I can use that one. Let's see. Let's see if it's gonna log in. Please fill out this link. Okay, I use this one. Let's use this. Is just a demo account. And there's something that is actually on my screen. Someone just put it. I don't know why they put it here. That is actually limiting my typing. Yeah, let's use this one. So I can basically show you how to go about it real quick. Yes, there we in. We are logged in. So once you're logged into your account, just come to my account, then scroll down here. We have 2 packages at Apex. We have a beginner package. That is for someone who just want to understand how crypto works. You want to know how to do P2P, and you want to know how to analyze different coins to buy. You can just come here and then you can just get this beginner package. You can just buy the beginner bundle. That one goes for only 3,000 Kenya shillings, okay? But if you want to come out to the academy, go through the 8 weeks, learn everything from A to Z, you can now go in here, take the academy membership. Just come here, click on buy now. Once you click on buy now, it's gonna take you to this other screen that will require you to select a cohort. This is gonna be our 12th cohort. So we didn't start doing this thing the other day. We've been doing this thing for a while. It's gonna be our 12th cohort, running from 14th of October to 29th of November. So just select that cohort. Once you select that cohort, it's gonna give you the prompts to do. If you wanna pay by M-Pesa, these are the steps. Then key in here the transaction ID. If you wanna pay with crypto, just click on pay with via crypto. It's gonna give you the steps, okay? And then if your payment method is not listed here, just contact the admin for guidance. And actually, by the way, if maybe you're not able to come to Apex and you know of someone who can come to Apex, you can simply come here, just create your account normally. Then you can get your referral link right over here. Then you can share this link with them. And whenever they purchase any beginner package or any academy membership, you're going to get a bonus of 20%, which is going to be sent to your account right over here. And it is basically money that you can actually withdraw, and you can use this money to actually buy a few coins. And then, of course, these coins are going to get you some profits. Okay. So there's basically room for everyone here at Apex. That's basically what you do if you want to come to Apex. And as I've said, the last day to come to Apex is on Monday, the 14th of October this year. Yes. So basically, why choose Apex? Leading crypto platform in Kenya. We have knowledgeable and experienced instructors, live classes with Q&A. We don't record our classes and then give to students. We do our classes live, just like how we are doing this thing, of course, with Q&As. But we usually record these classes because maybe you are not available, you are caught up in traffic. So at the end of the class, it's going to be shared on your email so that you can actually go back and revisit that particular class. Of course, we have a strong crypto community where we share so many things happening, and of course, the daily market updates. Money back through projects. If you come to Apex, pay attention, get good projects, you're gonna get your money back with profits, of course. Then, of course, you access our recorded classes. We have a proven track record, and we have testimonials on our website that you can always go check, see what are people saying about Apex. Maybe I can just show you a brief one over here. If you come to this account, if you go to our homepage, you'll see what previous students have saying or are saying about Apex. If you come here, scroll down over here, yeah, you'll see these are some of our past students who have been through the academy, and you can just go over here, read the reviews. If you're happy about the reviews, you can come. If you're not happy about the reviews, you can leave us a negative review. We welcome all the positive reviews and, of course, all the negative reviews. Okay, so just go through the reviews, see if it's worth your time, see if you really want to come to the crypto world, if you want to be sidelined in the bull run, or you want to be part of this wealth transformation. Great. So I believe at that point, I can take questions. So I want us to do this in a very, very orderly manner. So if you have a question, you can raise up your hand, and then I'll be able to unmute you, and then we'll be able to take your question. Yes. So let's get this started. I see Dennis. Dennis, the floor is yours.
Hello.
Hi.
I was asking,
Yes.
how much is needed to start investing in crypto?
You can.
Like, what amount is needed?
We don't have an exact amount. You can even buy coins with $10. You can buy coins with $5. But I recommend start with what you're comfortable with. But you don't have a minimum amount of money that you can use. But most exchanges, they allow as less as $10. But I wouldn't recommend you to come to crypto with $10, because $10, if it does a 10x, that is $100. Okay, but you can start with as low as $10. Are you good, Dennis?
Okay, thank you. Yeah, I'm good.
Next on the queue, we have Redmi. Redmi 9A. The floor is yours, Redmi. Redmi, in 5. Okay, let's pass it over to Hilda. Hilda, the floor is yours, Hilda.
Good evening.
Good evening.
I wanted to ask, maybe could you just give us a quick way of how to identify good altcoin?
Okay, give you around 5 things that you should check when you are looking for a good altcoin. Number one, check the tokenomics of that particular coin. Number two, check the narrative of that particular coin. Okay. Number three, check on the holders of that particular coin and ensure that you don't have a holder that is holding more than 50% of that particular project. Number four, check the technicals of that particular project. By that I mean check the charts. Is it an uptrend? Is it a downtrend? Where is the project heading to? And number five, of course, check if the project has any use case. Those 5 things will help you to identify a good altcoin. Hope you are clear on that, Hilda. Hilda? Hilda has been liquidated. Okay, let's take it over to Genius Kefa. Kefa, the floor is yours, Kefa.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, bro.
Yes, I wanted to talk about the wallets, the cold wallets, and like the difference ni gani and which one is the best to buy. We were talking with you on WhatsApp. You're telling me about the Nano S Plus.
Okay.
So I told you.
So, Kefa, we have many types of wallets that are called wallets, but the best brand is the Ledger. That has been there for some time. It's the best brand. So Ledger has three main types of cold wallets. We have what you call a Ledger Nano S that supports only 3 coins. We have a Ledger Nano S Plus that supports up to 5,500 coins, but the problem with Nano Ledger S Plus, you can only use it with your computer. You cannot use it on your phone because it doesn't have what you call Bluetooth functionality unless you connect it to your phone using a RTG cable, okay? Then we have a Nano Ledger X that is Bluetooth compatible that can allow you to connect with your phone via Bluetooth, and also the device holds more than 5,500 cryptocurrencies. Those are the differences between those three ledgers. Also, we now have a new version of Ledger called Ledger Flex and what we call Ledger Stacks. But Ledger Flex and Stacks, those ones, they are way expensive, and the only feature they have is the aspect of touch screen. You can just touch instead of now using the buttons, use now the touch screen. Those are the difference on those wallets. Kefa, are we good?
And maybe you could highlight something about the DeFi, decentralized finance.
Okay, DeFi is just a whole new world in crypto that doesn't have a central entity. It is the exact opposite of CeFi, because CeFi, the advantage of CeFi is that it is an entity that is controlled by an organization. But DeFi is just now the exact opposite of CeFi, whereby everything on DeFi runs on AMM, automated market makers. If it's a token that is being deployed, there is no central entity that is actually controlling that token. Everything happens on chain. It's basically on chain. So DeFi is more of on-chain, and AMM, the exact opposite of now what you call the CeFi. Exchanges are CeFis. Binance is CeFi, Bitget is CeFi, KuCoin is CeFi. But DeFi now, things like PancakeSwap, Uniswap, SushiSwap, SunSwap, all those are CeFi, DeFis. But don't worry, because these are things that we discuss at Apex in detail. Hope I make sense now. Genius?
Yes.
Fantastic. Let's hear from Michael Odhiambo. Michael Odhiambo, take it away.
Oh, how are you?
Hey,
I was asking about, I wanted to join the Apex group.
Michael, you have muted your microphone. I can see you are muted. Michael? Okay, Michael has been liquidated. Let's talk to Godfrey. Godfrey Monier. Godfrey, take it away.
Sir,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah, I have someone I know
Yes.
who got to buy Bitcoin at the early ages of Bitcoin,
Uh-huh.
and she wasn't really into it, but she doesn't know how she can access it. She bought around 30 Bitcoins, got her key, then she can't even remember, or she can't get where she wrote the key. Is there a way we can access the private key and access the bitcoins she got to buy?
I'm sorry, I've heard so many such stories, and they are very heartbreaking stories. They are very disappointing, and I am sorry to disappoint you further that there is absolutely nothing that can be done if we don't have the seed phrase, because the seed phrase is key. The seed phrase is
Yes.
everything. If you lose your seed phrase, even if you have 100 billion, nobody can help you. Nobody can get that money back. I've actually been doing a series of a seed phrase in my YouTube channel. I mean, I know some of them maybe have seen it. Anyone
Yes.
seen those things on my YouTube, a seed phrase, where in every video I'm giving out one seed phrase. I know it has been a long time coming. I'm gonna bring that series back. Yeah. So, bro,
Yes.
I'm sorry, nothing can be done.
Thank you.
Yep. Let's hear from Prince. I think I'll take about 3 more questions, then we can just kick it off, stop it. Prince, then Prince, then you can have our final speaker as Paul. Then I think the rest you can just type on the chat box. I'll go through them very, very fast. Prince, the floor is yours. Okay, Prince is not speaking. Let me pass it over to Paul Maura. Paul Maura, the floor is yours. The rest you can just type your questions on the chat box. I'll address them real quick. Paul,
Good day, Harold. Good evening.
good evening, bro.
My question is this week we are having some token unlocks, for example, SUI.
Yes.
So my question is what will be the short-term effect, or what will we see in the long term?
Basically, whenever you have a token unlock, is usually bad news for the project, because what basically happens is that the supply of that token, the circulating supply usually increases. And when that happens, it basically means that the market cap for that particular project will also be affected, in that it's not increasing, but the supply has increased. So automatically, the price is going to go down. So short-term effect, of course, bearish, but in the long term, things will just stabilize. So short term, bearish. Usually I see people shorting such projects when they are scheduled for unlocks. People will start shorting them, but I wouldn't recommend you shorting without a plan. If you are shorting, short with a good plan, have a tight stop loss, and yes. I see Prince is saying they can't turn. Yes, you have another question, Paul?
No, I'm okay, thanks.
Prince, unmute now. Prince Echwa.
Good evening.
Evening, Prince.
I was asking if you can paraphrase more on the arbitrage trading. Which exchanges are the best for arbitrage?
I think I've done more than 10 videos explaining about arbitrage trading, Prince. So chances of getting these opportunities are usually very, very low. And whenever we have such a chance, they don't even last for more than even 5 minutes. So arbitrage, it can't be really something sustainable. It's something that comes once in a while, and it only happens and comes to those who are quick to take action. So the type of exchanges that I can recommend, just do your research, scan through all exchanges, kuwa na kitabu, angalia KuCoin tuko ngapi, Mexit tuko ngapi, Bybit tuko ngapi, Bitget tuko ngapi, Binance tuko ngapi. That's how you get these opportunities, okay? So I hope I've answered your question, Prince. Let me just go through the charts real quick. Someone is asking, I have Nano X. That is very, very good news. How much for the ledger? S plus is 25,000 Kenya shillings. X 35,000 Kenya shillings. Same day delivery. WorldCoin imeendesa ajabu, didn't sell from $8 to 1.9. I said it here. Failing to collect profits and being emotionally attached to this particular project. Why? Can we pay for specializations at the moment? No, unless we do add a separate class for a separate unit. For example, we have the DeFi class. Maybe we can have a trading class. But at the moment, it's basically the whole package. Kindly touch on Web3. Web3 is basically the next generation of the internet that uses mostly the things to do with the ENS, because if you want to send crypto, you can send crypto using someone's ENS. So Web3 is a whole topic that we cover at Apex. Actually, we have it in the program. So if you come there, of course, you're gonna learn more about the Web3. How will the rewards as promised, Sir and Walen? Okay, those that won, shoot me a WhatsApp message. I believe you have my number. If you don't have my number, take it down. My number is 0735 442 656, or plus, let me just use the international code, plus 254 735 442 656. Reach me out on WhatsApp. I have 4 winners. 1, 2, 3, 4 winners. I'll ask one last question for me to get the last winner. That's the 5th winner. And also, I think I'll give one free slot for someone to come to the academy. I'll decide on the criteria that I will use to select that one lucky person. So I really hope it's gonna be you or whoever it is. Okay. So next question is best meme coins to buy. I gave you guys bread some time back. It has done tremendously well. I'll give you guys another one in the due time. If you are not in any of my groups again, make sure that you join my lobby groups. I'll be dropping some good gems that I know will definitely do well in this coming cycle. Okay. Can you give a good altcoin to look into? I have already addressed that. Which is the 5th thing to consider while buying an altcoin? I said the use case of the project. What do you think about WorldCoin? I think it's overrated and the hype has basically died. That's it about WorldCoin. Which meme coin are you predicting to go 100x? None at the moment. I can't say that this meme coin will do 100x, but we had one called Moondeg that did more than 100x. And the funny thing is that we saw this token in the DeFi class, but it had gone up significantly, so we didn't even care to buy it, but it has done more than 100x. But it's very, very hard to get such projects, and most of them are not easily identified. It's very hard to identify a coin that can do 100x, but 10x possible, 15x possible, 20x possible, 30x possible, 100x not really that easy. How do taxation laws affect cryptocurrency transactions? Usually the tax is very, very low. For example, Nigeria implemented, I think, 0.01% on fees. So the tax is not that big. So it won't affect crypto in detail. What coin do we buy after this webinar? I'll share in the groups or I'll share on your emails. Again, I believe you're on that email thread, so I'll share on your emails. Kindly suggest more coins you can buy. I'll address that. Where do you get accurate info on which coins to invest? Is just research. You don't have somewhere you can go read and copy and paste research. What do you think about WorldCoin? I've talked about that. Hello, sir. Thanks for always giving us updates. You're much welcome. Is it possible to make money from futures trading during bull market? Very, very possible, because during that time, the market is very, very bullish and people tend to make money by longing some projects, throwing in some 20x leverage, 30x leverage, which is dangerous. But if you know what you're doing, then you're doing the right thing. Can we buy more WIF to go to more excess? Wait for a correction, then you can ape into WIF. WIF is actually one of the best sold projects right now. WIF Popcat, good project. So wait for a correction, then you can enter in. Tell us something about futures trading. Use leverage to get to this. Guys, your questions, I can't exhaust them. I cannot. I have not even finished scrolling. And guys, I honestly cannot exhaust these questions. There are so many of them. I can't exhaust them. I've tried, and it's not easy. I can't exhaust this question. They keep flowing. My screen is just running up and down. I'm trying to answer your questions. More are coming in. And I've tried my best. I've tried to answer the ones that I've been able to answer. If I have not answered your question and you feel it's really burning, shoot me a WhatsApp message. I'll address it privately. Someone is saying, so is there a rate that is friendly for comrades? Comrades, there's a beginner package, but as I've said, I'll do a draw. One lucky person I will get to win the Apex free pass. I don't know who that's gonna be. I hope it's gonna be you. Okay, so yep. I think at this time I should basically ask my last question. You've not talked about candlestick studying. Candlestick is just candlestick. We don't have anything premium about candlestick. Okay, Ketchup, you've been raising your hand for a very long time. Maybe you have a burning issue. Ketchup, you can speak up.
Oh, so my question was on about trading meme coins on Phantom Wallet.
Uh-huh.
How do you go about it?
Okay, you need three things to trade meme coins on Phantom. You need to have the wallet itself and secure the seed phrase. That is number one. Number two, you need to have Solana because Phantom is based on Solana, so you need to have Solana. Number three, you need to have the contract address of that token. Then you just swap using Jupiter or Radium.io. It's that simple. Okay, it might sound simple to me. It might sound complex to some people, but you just need those three things: Sol, Phantom, contract address, swap the tokens, good to go. That's all you need. Ketchup?
Okay, and what about the what about the mentorship? As in, how do you go about it? Like you conduct Zoom meetings daily,
Okay,
how does it?
our academy runs for about 7 to 8 weeks with classes running Monday to Friday, 9 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. East Africa time. Live classes, the way we are doing right now. Classic issue, we record the class, send it on your email, and those lessons cannot be shared because they are shared privately. And then, yeah, after the class, you join now the Apex crypto community that now has everyone who has been through the academy, and that is now the group that's gonna produce the crypto millionaires this coming bull run. Hope I've answered you, Ketchup.
Yes. The last question.
Yes, bro.
The last question. Uh, I've been trading. I've been trading on futures, and okay, like maybe for example, sema for example, nimebuy coin kama dogwood ranging from a range of 2.8 to $3. Then maybe nimeweka take profit kama $3 na stop loss at around 2.7. Maybe nilikuwa na short.
Okay.
So like unapata hiyo maybe 0.5 okay, like hiyo 0 point something, tuseme 2.8 to 2.9 unapata ishani liquidate. Why? Na maybe margin yangu hata ilikuwa kubwa na leverage kama ya 10x.
Okay, the reason that you got liquidated, maybe you didn't have a stop loss, or maybe your stop loss was way below your liquidation price. Those are the only reasons. Hakuna mambo ingine. Either you didn't have a stop loss, or your stop loss was below your liquidation price. If you are long, if you are shorting, your stop loss was above your liquidation price. That's the only thing. There's nothing big about it. So most likely, didn't have a stop loss, or you didn't have, or you placed your stop loss in the wrong place. That's it, basically. Okay. So guys, I think I've been here for more than 2 hours. It's been long time coming. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning into this webinar. Hope you've learned a thing or two. If you've learned something, please let me know in the chat box. If you've learned something, give me a 1 on the chat box if you've learned something. If you've learned something, give me a 1. Yeah, so watu wanasema it's too expensive. I'm sorry, that's the price for Apex. But as you've seen, we have a referral program. You can recommend guys to come to Apex, take those bonuses, withdraw those bonuses, go create your portfolios. And finally, I want to ask my last question before I reward my last winner. So which question should I ask? Which question should I ask? Which question should I ask? Gonna be a very simple one. Should it be around Apex or should it be around what you've discussed? Yes, should be around what we've discussed. And the question is, okay. How much money did Tony spend to buy Cadena? If you have been attentive, yo, that was so fast. And I think I have a winner. But Xiaomi, you want something. You want to win twice. No, Xiaomi, you want something. So I'm gonna pick the second winner, which is Lewis. But Lewis, I remember you misbehaved. Lewis, you are drawing lines on my screen. So I'm gonna disqualify you. I'm gonna pick the third person, who is Victor Nzuki. So Victor Nzuki, congratulations. You are our third winner. And yeah, Tony spent $45 on Cadena and made some good yeah, some good money. So thank you so much, guys. It has been pleasure hosting you. Maybe you can just take a screenshot of this webinar, take a video, share on your socials. Go sign into the Apex Crypto Hub website. Get your custom referral link, share with potential guys who want to learn about crypto. Yeah, then get those bonuses. And yeah, I will definitely see you in our next webinar. So from me to you, good night, everyone. Good luck. God bless you. See you in the bull run. See you when Bitcoin gets to those peak values. And I want to wish you all the very best as you prepare. And yeah, blessings, and blessings galore. Peace out. Bye-bye, everyone.